Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic polymorphism and its types in Python programming language. Polymorphism is another fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It is mainly achieved through method overriding and method overloading. Types of polymorphism: method overriding, method overloading, operator overloading. Let's try to understand different types of polymorphism with examples. Method overriding. A child class provides a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its parent class. Example: let's consider class animal and a sound method to describe the animal sound. Class animal, def sound, self, print. This is a generic animal sound. Now, let's create animals, dog and cat, which will have their own version of sound. The dog barks whereas the cat meow. Class dog, animal, def sound, self, print, bark. Class cat, animal, def sound, self, print, meow. In this case, the method sound is overridden. Let's create all the three types of objects: animal, dog and cat. When the sound function is invoked, it displays its own version based on the given class. The output in this case is: this is a generic animal sound, bark, meow. Now, let's consider the second type, method overloading. Method overloading is nothing but multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. Method overloading using default arguments. Python does not support true method overloading, but we can achieve similar functionality using default arguments or variable length arguments. Let's define a math class with a add function. Class math, def add, self, a, b, c equals 0, return a plus b plus c. Now, let's see the behavior by creating a math object and calling add function with 2 arguments first in, then with 3 arguments. The output in this case is 3 and 6. Now, let's consider the last type, operator overloading. Operator overloading is nothing but defining the behavior of operators plus, star, etc. for user-defined classes. Let's consider a class called vector. We can overload the plus operator to add 2 vectors by using the function underscore underscore add underscore 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 str underscore underscore function. Can be used to display a vector as string. You can see the definitions. Now let's create vector objects v1 and v2 and add them up to get a third vector v3. The output in this case is vector of 6 and 8. So, we saw method overriding with dog and cat classes override the sound method from the animal class. Method overloading using math class with add method that can take 2 or 3 arguments. Operator overloading with vector class that overloads the plus operator using the underscore underscore add underscore underscore method to add 2 vector objects. So, this covers an overview of polymorphism in Python. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.